Welcome to my 15-minute cardio and abs workout. Today, you'll be performing 5 moves for a total of 30 seconds each, followed by a 30-second break. You'll repeat this circuit 3 times. We will be targeting the abdominal muscles and the cardiovascular system, so make sure you have your water and you're ready to sweat. Let's go, team. Up first, we're starting out with the warm-up. We have marching cross connects. Focus on staying tall, bringing the knee towards the elbow, exhaling with every rep, making sure we're not crunching our abs. For the warm-up series, you'll be performing each move for 30 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go, team. Coming up next, we have reverse lunges. Step back, have the knee touch the ground, making sure the front knee doesn't cave in when we're standing back up. How's everybody feeling today? Are you ready to work out? Are you ready to break a sweat? If it's the morning, good morning. If you're in the afternoon, way to get it in. And if this is after work, great job. If you had a stressful day, this is the perfect workout to get some stress out. You're gonna be jumping, you're gonna be sprinting, you're gonna be doing some abs. You're gonna feel great afterwards. 5 more seconds left, and then we're starting our jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Jumping jacks are up next. All right, let's go, team. Let's start to get that heart rate up. We have 20 seconds remaining. Start to move those arms and legs faster. 15 more seconds. And then after this, the workout is starting. So after these jumping jacks, we have squat jumps coming up. 30 seconds of squat jumps. Yeah, your thighs are gonna be burning, the heart's gonna be screaming, but it's all for a good reason, right? Because we're here to work. All right, team, let's go. Let's get started. Right into it, we're going. Land softly on the mat. Make sure those knees don't cave too far inward. You wanna land as soft as you can. Be a ninja here. Nice and quiet, don't make sound. If for some reason this move is too challenging for you, you can always just do traditional squats here. We are under 10 seconds left. Let's keep pushing, keep working. 5 more seconds, give me a couple more jumps. I know the legs are burning, let's get this. Last one. Nice, land softly. Whew. All right, we made it to our first official break. I know, doing the warm up and then going right into the workout. Whew, has the heart rate going. So if you need some water here, take some time, grab some water, get ready for the next exercise. We have the bear to plank coming up. This is a shoulder and core exercise starting in the bear position. Knees are off the ground by 1 inch, and then we're pulling our hips back, rocking forward into the push-up position. You ready, team? Let's go. Here we go. Let's get after 30 seconds. When you're doing this movement, focus on pushing the ground away, reaching long, and getting those shoulder blades to spread across your upper back. Great job so far. You have 15 seconds remaining. Coming up next, we have a scorcher. We have high knees. So we're just gonna be running in place, getting those knees towards our waistline, driving the opposite arm with the opposite leg, staying tall throughout the movement. Pretend the ground is hot. Don't burn your foot, people. Get them up, get them up. Let's go, team, let's work, let's work. You have 15 seconds remaining. Great job so far. Keep pumping those arms. I know this is a tough exercise, but let's get through it. We're under 10 seconds. Keep those legs going. Remember, the ground is hot. The ground is hot. Quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. Let's go, let's go. 3 seconds. 3, 2, you got this. Last one, and 1. Awesome work. Whew. That one gets the heart going quickly. All right, time to give the cardio system a break. We got the heel bridge with reaches, so we're going after the glutes and the abs here. You're gonna scoop the hips off the ground, making sure we're not arching our back too much. And then we're gonna reach towards one side of the wall and then go to the other side, back and forth, rotating side to side. This is a great exercise for our glutes, hamstrings, and our posture because we're going after the upper back. So reaching nice and long, inhaling and exhaling throughout. We have the final move coming up for the first round with lying leg raises. This is an abdominal smoker. Lay on your back with your hands at your side, keeping both legs straight and then scissoring them back and forth. If this move is too challenging, you can bend the knees to make it easier. So every time you switch a leg, exhale with each rep. You have 15 seconds remaining. Keep pushing, keep pushing. I know the abs are screaming. The thighs might be screaming a little bit too, but let's push through it. If you are tired, here's the modification. Keep those knees bent, but keep the pace going back and forth, back and forth. Last rep here. Good job, team. Nice work. You finished one round. How you feeling? Did you push yourself hard enough? If you didn't, round 2 is the time to up the ante, drive up that intensity, and push the throttle. We have 15 more seconds in the rest break. Drink some water if you need to. Guess what we got coming up? We got squat jumps, baby. So again, with these squat jumps, land softly, and if they are too challenging, you can always do just traditional squats. Are you ready? 3, 2, let's go, team. Get after it. It's round 2. The legs start to burn a little bit more, but let's keep pushing. We got 10 seconds. Work through it. You got this. This is easy for you. You've done way harder workout. 5 more seconds. Let's get this, team. Come on. Give me 2 more. Jump it up. Last one. Nice. Land softly. Ooh. Well done. Beautiful. We have the bear to plank coming up next. This one's a sneaky one. It looks so easy until you start doing it, and then the shoulders and thighs start burning, but that's a good thing. That means the fat's just melting away, baby. Let's go, let's go. Come on, push the reps here, push reps. Keep my pace, forward and back. And if you want to get a little crazy, throw a push-up in, team. Throw a little push-up in, keep up with me. Come on, we got this. 12 more seconds remaining. How many can you do? How hard can you push yourself right now? 5 seconds remaining. What do you got left? Give me a couple more reps. All the way down, all the way up. Stretch those hips. Last one. Great job. Take a quick sip of water if you have it. We have high knees coming up next. When you're doing these high knees, I want you to push yourself harder than ever before. Round 1 was kind of just the work of getting used to the moves, but now round 2, we dial up the intensity even more. Let's go, team. Keep up with me. Left, right, left, right, left to right, left to right. Remember, the ground is hot. Don't be getting any burns. We are under 15 seconds. If you start to slow down, pick it back up. Keep that pace going. Let's work. Under 10 seconds now. Come on, you got this. Only 5 more seconds left. Go a little bit faster, a little bit faster. 2, 1. Awesome job. I know, that's a challenging one. Way to get through it.
Show you what a good time looks like.
Little breather here with the heel bridge with reaches, but don't take off the exercise. Still tuck those hips, keep those abs tight, rotate side to side. Breathing each rep, inhale and exhale. Focus on the breath here. This is when you recover between the moves.
Shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it.
Abs are coming up next. Use the modification to your level. So either straight leg or bent knee, whichever one you use. Get after it, team. Let's go, let's go. Here we go, 30 seconds.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild.
15 seconds remaining as fatigue starts to settle in. Your lower back might start to arch. Keep that lower back flat by getting good exhales in with each rep. Keep working. 5 more seconds. Push through it, push through it. We got water after this. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. 2 rounds are down. Grab some water and let's get ready. We have squat jumps coming up next. So drink some water, get ready for that next exercise. It's the 3rd and final round. And when it comes to round 3, I know we pushed it in round 2, but now we have to dig deeper and go even harder because it's the last round. Last time of squat jumps. You're not doing any more squat jumps after this. So you gotta jump as high as we can here. Let's go, team. And remember, if these are too challenging, you can always just do traditional squats. Let's go, here we go, let's work, let's work. So if your legs are screaming too much, here's a modification. Do some body weight squats, driving up. You can go up onto the calves. And then once you feel good, jump back in again. Take a little breather and then go back to those squat jumps. Here we go, 8 seconds left. How many can you get in? 5 seconds. Keep working, keep jumping. Jump as high as we can. Last one, get it up. Land softly. Beautiful. I am sure you are stoked to see that there are no more squat jumps. Awesome job getting 3 rounds of those in. Shake out the legs, shake it out. Let's get ready for the next exercise. We got the bear to plank. And remember, if you are trying to keep up, if you're advanced, I want you to do push-ups here. So you go from that bear position into the push-up, drive it back up. It's round 3. This is when you sell out. Give it everything you got. We have 15 seconds remaining. Where are you at right now? Let's push through it. If you need to, you can always drop the knees to the ground and do a modification. If not though, keep driving out those push-ups. There's only 5 seconds left, team. Let's work, let's work. 3, 2, give me one more. Beautiful. All right, team, it's round 3, and you know what's coming up here. We got high knees for the 3rd and final time. The beat is picking up, and that's what I need from you too. Let's go, let's go. Drive those legs as fast as we can. It's the last round. You need to pump those arms and pump those legs faster than ever before. Right now, you need to remember why you clicked that play button. Why are you here? What is your why? What are your goals? Let's get after you. You got 15 seconds. Push harder, push harder. Come on. You can do this. I believe in you. Let's work, let's work. 6 more seconds remaining. Finish strong, finish strong. Don't give up now. Keep going, keep going. 2, finish. 1. Awesome job, team. Way to show up. 2 moves remaining. Grab some water if you need to, and let's get ready for the final moves. 10 seconds remaining. Keep those hips elevated without arching the lower back. Reach nice and long side to side. Almost done. 3 more seconds here. Great work, team. 4 exercises down in round 3, which means we have one final move left. We have the lying leg raises. If you did bent leg before, you can stay with that, or if you want to challenge yourself, go with that straight leg movement, and we're going to push it as hard as we can, scissoring those legs back and forth, burning the abs, burning the thighs, get everything we need to look great naked. Here we go, team. 3, 2, and showtime. If you were thinking to yourself, Eric, this move is still way too easy, then lift your arms up and reach towards the ceilings, and that is going to get those abs firing up. Here we go, team. We are under 20 seconds, halfway there, 15 seconds remaining. This is the last move of the day. You have to sell out. 10 more seconds. Let's work, let's work, let's work. Come on. 7 seconds left. How many can you get? We're at 5 seconds. Push it, push it. Last rep coming up. Give me one more. There you go. Amazing job. Grab some water if you need to. It's time to do the cool down. Great job showing up today. Way to get after it. Way to push the envelope. That's what I'm talking about. We are going to start out first with the downward dog position. Send the hips to the sky, making an A-frame, and then you can pedal the feet back and forth, focusing on good inhales and even longer exhales to bring down the heart rate.
Can't say I'm hurting, baby, but I don't feel too good. It's like I'm burning lately.
15 more seconds remaining. So again, focus on inhale for 3, 2, 1. Exhale even slower for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. From there, we're going to drop down to all fours and do the cat-cow. So we're going to arch one vertebra at a time, pulling the belly button to the ground, lifting the chest up, and then rinsing and repeating in the other direction. So rounding the upper back, pulling the belly button away from the floor. 15 seconds remaining. Don't forget to breathe here. I like to inhale as my back rounds and exhale as I arch. So again, inhale on the rounding, exhale on the arch. Great job. Coming up next, we're going to go into child's pose. So pull the hips backwards. You have 2 options here. You can reach long overhead or pull the elbows in and rotate the palms up. This will allow you to get a little bit more air into the middle of the back. Same thing as before, inhale and exhale slowly. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found the video useful, please share it with a friend. Bring your family in here. Let's get everybody working out. Hit the like button below. Give me a comment. Give me some feedback. And of course, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date for more exercise and tips on how to train against gravity.